Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This is a longer video today. We are at many stores, including CVS. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. So what I'm going to do is that if you are specifically interested in one of these stores, as a pinned comment, I will have the timestamp of where the video starts and stops. I know that some of you just want the Meijer or just want the CVS. I will pin it in the notes field. In case you missed it, yesterday afternoon I posted a video for the Dollar General clearance event that's starting on Friday, October the 4th, going right till the 10th. So that's a week long. Lots of very cheap items, Vaseline, a massive bottle for $1.15, cleaner, pads, you name it. Even if you're a very serious pharmacy shopper, I would suggest to check out this video and maybe try couple of these deals at the Dollar General. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really help me out. And if you like these longer videos with many stores, kind of a throwback to when I first started my channel, please give this video an enthusiastic thumbs up and tell me, do you like these longer videos? Okay, first store that we're at is Walgreens. Yesterday, this populated in the app, and I think it was also an email, and basically they're going to be giving 30,000 Walgreens, card members or loyalty members, up to $100 in Walgreens cash each, which is going to amount to $1 million. You have to make a purchase to participate, either online or in store. Very easy for most of us to do that. But yeah, how exciting is that? And then a lot of us also received this. And basically, it's to make 5 purchases in the month of October to get back $20 in Walgreens cash. At the very least, activate it. You might be surprised what you can achieve. For the first deal, I stacked a paper booster, the 5 back when you spend $25, and a digital booster, the 7 back when you spend $35 to get $12 back on my cart. Okay, so shout out to Lorena over on Instagram. Her handle is right there. I believe she's also here on YouTube. What I did was one of her deals, and I did kind of mess it up. I got a large gain, 2 Pampers wipes, 2 Dove shampoos, and 2 Oral-B brushes. So with the gain, it's $15.99 this week, and we have a $4 digital. So that's something that excites me. Who doesn't like getting a large detergent? And then the Pampers are 2 for $7, and we have a $1.50 off a 2 Walgreens coupon. And for the Dove, it's 2 for $8. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and then you also get back a register reward for $3 for this one. And the Oral-B, $3 a pop, buy 2, get back a $3 register reward, and we have a $4 digital as well for that one. Okay, so just some straightforward math here. 2 of the Oral-B's for $6, 2 Dove shampoos for $8, a gain for $15.99, and 2 Pampers wipes for $7, for a total of $36.99. The $1.50 IVC or the Walgreens coupon for the Pampers coming off, so the new total is $35.49. Have your booster loaded, which is the 7 back when you spend $35. I got the cashier to scan my paper booster. $13 in digital coupons melting off that I showed you in the slides previous. With my debit card, I paid $22.98 as I'm working with 2 different boosters. Got back $6 in register rewards, $12 in Walgreens cash, making it $4.98 for the haul, or 71 cents per item. I was supposed to get another $5 register reward for the gain and Pampers, like spend 20, get back 5. Lorena achieved that. It didn't print for me on Tuesday, so I don't know what I did wrong. Remember not to use Walgreens cash with this deal. And even for what I paid for it to get that massive Tide for 71 cents, this is a deal. Another super deal that I would stock up on are these freezer bags by the Walgreens brand. They're on a buy 1, get 2 for free. So the first one you'll pay $2.79. If you divide that by 3, it's 93 cents per box of 20 of these freezer bags. I mean, that is cheaper than the Dollar Tree, and this is the week to stock up on these, especially if you are a home cook. At several stores that I was visiting also, I keep finding these gray and white Walgreens brand facial tissues. It's a cube of their Kleenex or facial tissue. And it's typically $3.99, but they're $1.99, so they're still on a clearance price from last winter, and they seem to be getting restocked in many stores. Keep your eyes peeled for this. $1.99 is definitely a stock-up price for this tissue. Last Monday, I just happened to be in a town with a CVS, so I thought I would pop in and do a couple of the deals. These deals are valid until October the 12th. Their flyer runs for 2 weeks, as many of you loyal CVS shoppers know about that, and I just did a couple quick little deals. The first are two of these baby lips at $3.99 a pop. We have a $5 extra care buck when you buy two. Now, because I'm not a very frequent shopper there, they emailed me a $4 off just for you coupon because I'm not a big user, or I don't really go there often. But I utilized it in this first transaction. $7.98 for the two baby lips, subtracting that coupon. I paid $3.98, got back a $5 extra care buck, making this free, and a $1.02 money maker. And I rolled it into my next deal. So I had this $5 extra care buck, and I did 3 transactions as well, guys. So back to back to back. Transaction 2, I grabbed a very large Tide, a very large Gain, and a Dawn. So this is P&G week. Can't stress it enough. $10 extra care buck when you buy $30. And over at CVS, I used to be a big CVS shopper back in the day. You don't actually have to hit that $30 mark. You have to be like a percentage close to it. Load that $3 digital as well. And then I grabbed Mr. Gain, and we have a $2 digital for this. Sorry, it got closed cropped. And the final item was the Dawn, and it's also on the same promotion, and we have a $2 digital that's going with this, so that's very generous. So just follow me along here because I know it's a bit confusing. The Tide for $13.49, the Gain for $9.99, and the Dawn for $5.99 for a total of $29.47. I got the cashier to scan that Maybelline $5 extra care buck, and I had $7 in digital melting off. I paid $17.47 and then got back $10 in extra care bucks. So that was pretty fantastic. And I really do love the CVS app. I think it's very user intuitive, and I like it. This is also valid till the end of the month, but I wanted to keep rolling those extra care bucks. So the final deal I did was 2 of these Cottonelle toilet papers, and I had $1 digital that I had loaded on my store card for this one. So 2 of these toilet papers is $21.58. Subtracting the $1 digital, and then I threw in that extra care buck from Tide. I paid $10.58 and then got back $5 extra care buck, which I hung on to, but just 3 very basic deals rolling one from another. And I wasn't really starting with anything other than a $4 just for you. So it was just a way to try and make something happen. And I don't have Rite Aids anymore. And I was mighty tempted to go to CVS, and I never ever shop there. But for these Tide deals, I might have to try and figure out a way to get over there. And we have this $5 extra care buck I have till the end of the month, and I'm going to hang on to this one. Now, alternatively, another really good deal was with the Ajax. I know some stores have a cheaper Ajax for $2.99. This one's $3.89 on a buy one, get one 50% off. We have this Delight, which is a $3.50 off of 2. Very basic math. 2 of those Ajaxes is $5.83. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $2.33 for the 2, or $1.16 per dish soap. Did consider doing that Ajax deal and then buying this clearance calculator and throwing in that $5 extra care buck from the Cottonelle, but then I just passed on it. And this guy is $3.25 on a special, which is a really crazy price for a scientific calculator. Another item that kind of tempted me was the 2 for $10 on the pink stuff. I do like this product. I mean, I am really loyal to Scrub Daddy, but I really wanted to try some of this stuff, possibly throw in a $5 extra care buck and try a couple of these. So that was CVS. On Sunday, a lot of us went to Family Dollar, and there were some really great digital coupons, and they had a lot of items in the clearance section that was attaching. Well, Family Dollar did something kind of interesting. They pulled all of their digital coupons, I think, on Tuesday afternoon. So just a heads up, I think the only thing you can get is the ladies Venus disposable razor, or the men's disposable razor with that $3 digital, getting it for a quarter or free depending what your store sells them at, or the travel size one for free. Obviously scan all the barcodes, but the fact that they pulled like a whole bunch of coupons that was working with clearance, and their clearance is so full with stuff. Like, you'd think that they'd want to get rid of it, but that was a big sorry, Charlie. So that was really shocking that they did that so quickly, especially that 350 off a two for the Palmolive while it's advertised on their regular bottles. Like, very strange. The next store that we have is the Dollar General. I'm going to ask that you double, triple check that this deal is still working. I did it on Sunday. So it was to grab one of the Dawn dish soaps that has a $2 digital, and the Colgate. It has to be this one, the baking soda peroxide one. And I found this one in the regular dental care aisle on a bottom shelf, and it's $1. These are the digital coupons that you're going to load. The $2 for the Easy Squeeze and the $1.50 off for the toothpaste. I did this at a non-updated store that gives you overage. So here it is, my Dawn, the $2 digital melting off. And then for the Colgate, it's $1 with the $1.50. So I got 50 cents of overage. So this basket was 45 cents, which is fantastic. Now I'm going to let you guys know, if your store is updated, you will probably just get that toothpaste for free and pay 95 cents for this basket. The last store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest only. No sister store to this one, Midwest only. First one is a freebie, and make sure that you open up your Meijer app and scan the barcode of this product. Is it still attaching, yes or no? Grabbing two of these travel size scopes. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. It basically makes it completely for free. And then just to show you a receipt, boom. So I just paid the tax on this one. It's always a delight to get like these little travel size mouthwashes for free, especially if you travel quite a bit. Now, this is another deal that I think is really fantastic. This company called toilet paper this week is $5.99. It's typically $8.49 for these 6-packs. Very beefy rolls as well. It's wrapped in paper, supposed to be environmentally friendly. We have a $3 off of each M-Perk, so it makes it $2.99. If you wanted to grab more than one, $2.99 is a very good stock up price. This looks very similar to the Quilted Northern that's like right next to it. I'm wondering if it's the same manufacturer, because the packaging looks very, very similar, but who really knows? And then also it's called Blizzy. It's an iced coffee. I'm a huge iced coffee lover, guys. $4.99 on sale this week. We have a $2 M-Perk. Drops it down to $2.99. This is the cheapest I've seen iced coffee in months. And I go through quite a bit of this. I tried that espresso blend this morning, and it's fantastic. Final deal is this. You're going to load this M-Perk, which is a 10 off of 40 on the P&G Tide Bounty Good Products. Special shout out to Rolling Coupon Moms and Saving with Luo. These ladies posted various deals, and I kind of had to Frankenstein something together myself. I grabbed a very large Tide, a Dawn dish soap, a Gain dryer sheet Happy, Cascade, and then 3 Febreze products. I couldn't photograph the Febreze products because there was a lady parked in front of it and she would not move an inch. So I was like, this is weird to photograph this stuff. But to load the $5 for those plugs, $2.30 for the car clips, small spaces $2.30, $2 for the Dawn, $1 for the Cascade, $2.50 off for the Happy, and then a $2 for the Gain liquid detergent. Just to show you, you're looking for the stuff tagged. There's also a pet one for these dryer sheets by Bounce, but my store was cleared, so I could not grab one. That is the much better deal. This guy as well, happy to get the Gain on the cheap. And we have the $2 digital for that. Another $2 digital for this Tide, or the Dawn Apple. I don't know why I wanted to call that Tide. I do like this one, by the way. And then we have the Cascade. We have $1 off. I wish it was more. And I always go for the 18 counter. Go for the big ones. Why not? And then I also have this, which is 2,500 points back when you spend 20. So I achieved part of that, not the full amount, as I just got a couple laundry care products. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do a little different here. I'm just showing you the receipt. I was a little bit over $41, and I'm showing you the receipt right here. So I paid like with tax like $16 and some change, and I'm going to be close to getting that $2.50 back. So I'm okay with that for this big basket of magic. Now, alternative, the pet dryer sheets could have brought my basket down a little bit more. And then if you go to the site P&G Good Every Day, there's a $5 off coupon that you can use on these laundry care products or P&G products through the website. You would just get a barcode to scan at checkout. Unfortunately, I got one of these. It's 750 points. If you are a P&G good everyday user, you're going to get those points accrued on your account after photographing and submitting a bunch of receipts. And then you can use this $5 one and you just scan it at checkout. But mine came like really late in the evening, so I couldn't use it on this basket. But I'm going to use it on my husband's store card later today. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. And if you are interested in saving big money at the Dollar General this weekend and next week, watch the video linked right here. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.